ሰላም ሰላም ውድ የቻናል ተከታታዮች፣ አሁን ደግሞ በሌላ ሰብጀክት መጥቻለሁ። እዚህ ጋር እንደምትመለከቱት አሁን ይዤላችሁ የመጣሁት ጂኤስ ሞዴል ኤግዛም ኩዌስችኖችን ነው። ስለዚህ ወደ 6 ጥያቄዎች ናቸው እዚህ ጋር ያሉት። በጣም ቬሪ ክሩሻል ኦር ኢምፖርታንት ያልኩትን ነው ሰሌክት አድርጌ ይዤላችሁ የመጣሁት። ስለዚህ ወደ ጥያቄው እንሄዳለን። as you can see here general science for grade 8 so model exam part 3 this is going to be part 3 part 2 ባለፈው ጊዜ ለማየት ሞክረናል። so the instruction says choose the correct answer from the given alternative. So question number 1 says which one of the following is not inorganic compound? Inorganic compound. So in order to do this question, it's important to see what is inorganic compound and organic compound. In general, what's compound? Compounds can be divided into 2, organic and inorganic compounds. Compounds are simply they are substance which can be formed from 2 or more different elements, right? So compounds can be divided into organic and inorganic compounds. Okay, so organic compounds are compounds which contains both carbon and hydrogen, or in other words, they are compounds which can be formed from living things, can be synthesized from living things. For example, examples of organic compounds are, you can take protein, you can take enzyme, you can take nucleic acid, you can take carbohydrates, you can take lipids, whatever it is. These are that can be found from living things, right? So in the case of inorganic compounds, they are compounds which do not contain what? Carbon. Which do not contain carbon, but they can be found from what? From earth in the form of minerals, right? Metal, non-metal, salt. All these are inorganic compounds. Okay? Inorganic compounds. So now let's come to this question. Is not inorganic compounds, right? So ሁሉም ካርበን ያላቸው በሙሉ ኦርጋኒክ ነው ማለት አንችልም። ቅድም ኦርጋኒክ ከሆኑ ካርበንና ሃይድሮጅን ይዛሉ ብያለሁ። ነገር ግን እዚህ ጋር ካርበን ዳይኦክሳይድ cannot be organic compound, ኤክሰፕሽናል ኬዝ አላቸው ማለት ነው። ካርበንስ ኤንድ ሃይድሮጅን ካርቦኔትስ እና ካርበን ያላቸው ሆኖ ግን ኦርጋኒክ የማይሆኑበት ሁኔታ አለ ማለት። ሶ ካርበን ዳይኦክሳይድ ኢዝ ኢንኦርጋኒክ ኮምፓውንድ። ካርበን የሌላቸው ብለናል ኢንኦርጋኒክ ካርበን የላቸውም፣ ነገር ግን ካርበን ኖሯቸው ኢንኦርጋኒክ የሚሆኑበት ሁኔታ አለ ማለት ነው። ካርበን ሞኖክሳይድ፣ ሱክሮዝ፣ C12 H22 O11 D calcium oxide. This is oxide. This is also non-metallic oxide. This is also non-metallic oxide. Sucrose ግን it's a kind of sugar ነው። ስለዚህ this is not inorganic compound rather than it is organic compound. The answer is C. Okay, C. Question number 2. Which one of the following is organic compound? Which one of the following is organic compound? Organic compound ሃይድሮካርበንስ የምንላቸው በሙሉ ኦርጋኒክ ናቸው ማለት ነው። ኦርጋኒክ የምንላቸው አሊፋቲክ እና አሮማቲክ ተብለው ይጠራሉ። አሊፋቲክ እና ላይክ አልኪን፣ አልኬን፣ አልካይንስ የምንላቸው እነሱ ኦርጋኒክ ኮምፓውንድስ ናቸው ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር መመልከት ትችላለን። ቾይስ ሴይዝ ካርበን ሞኖክሳይድ yes of course it is not organic compound. Calcium carbonate, this is salt, it's not organic compound. CH4, this is organic compound because this is methane is alkane. Okay, hydrocarbon carbon na hydrogen alu. This is phosphoric acid ነው። አሲዶች፣ ቤዞች፣ ሳልቶች እነሱ ምን ውስጥ ይመደባሉ? they can be an example of, or they can be categorized in general in inorganic compounds. ስለዚህ መልሱ ምንድን ነው የሚሆነው? ሲ ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው። ሚቴን ነው CH4 ሚቴን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። which one of the following is a general formula for alkanes? a general formula for alkanes. ቅድም ተናግሬያለሁ። hydrocarbons are carbons which are compounds which contains carbon and hydrogen. This hydrocarbon can be classified as alkane, alkene, and alkynes. Okay, so these three kinds of hydrocarbons have their own general formula. For example, CnH2n is alkene. This is the formula of alkene. CnH2n minus 2 is alkyne. Alkyne. The general formula for alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. Where n represents number of carbon. CnH2 plus 2. This is the general formula for alkane. So we are asked the general formula for alkanes, right? So the answer is C again. Okay. Question number 4. One of the following formula represents alkene containing 8 carbon atoms. Containing 8 carbon atoms. We are asked the general formula for what? Alkene. So the general formula for alkene is CnH2, 2n. Okay. So as a matter of substituting number of carbon in the place of what? N. N represents number of carbon, right? So 8 C8 H2 times number of N represents number of carbon. So in the place of N, I have to substitute 8. Okay, so this is going to be C8H16. Okay, H16, 2 times 8 is 16. So the number of hydrogen is 16, the number of carbon is 8. So the answer is going to be D. So C8H16. Okay. Question number 5. Hydrocarbons are organic compounds with element dash. A, hydrogen, B, oxygen, C, carbon. D, both hydrogen and carbon. We have said already about this organic compound. They contains what? They contains both hydrogen and carbon. So the answer is D. The answer is D. Yes, the answer is D. Question number 6 and the last question says, one of the following is the first organic compound synthesized from inorganic compounds. Ammonium cyanide, silver cyanide, urea, NH2, CO, ammonium chloride. So the answer is C. You can see here the first organic compound was produced from an organic compound by a German scientist known as Friedrich Wöhler by using this equation. The reaction between ammonium chloride, which exists in the form of a solution, and silver cyanide, which is also found in the form of a solution. So first, by combining these two compounds, it produced ammonium cyanide, which is a solution, and silver chloride, which is a solid substance. So then, this ammonium cyanide can be converted into urea. This is known as urea, the first organic compound, which is formed from ammonium cyanide solution. Or we can express this formula by using H2N single bond carbon, double bond oxygen, and NH2. This is the general formula for what? For urea. So urea is the first organic compound which is produced or synthesized from inorganic compound, which is known as ammonium cyanide. So the answer is C. The answer is C. So this is all about my today lesson. If you have any question, comments, whatever it is, just you can keep in my comment box, And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.